Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to Millennial Investments for another daily trade review. To be honest, with this video, we're actually going to be looking at an entire sector, the EV sector, and what's going on with Tesla, what to expect with some of our EV plays. Before I get started, though, as always, please be sure to show your support if this information is beneficial in any kind of way by simply liking the video and subscribing to the channel to receive future notifications about trade reviews such as this one, especially in the EV space, as we're looking to build a very large portfolio moving forward. And also, if you have a particular trade you want us to look at here at Millennial Investments to give you our analysis and how we would play certain stocks that you're interested in, feel free to comment in any of our videos moving forward with that stock, and if you have a position in it, your price average at least, so we can analyze it based on that price average. But to move forward, as we've seen today, Tesla broke above the 607 level of support that we were looking for, and that allowed it to launch up to the 650s, currently topping out about the 680. I think 680 79 was where it topped out. I've been analyzing Tesla for the simple fact that it's been weighing down on the entire EV market, with it being a market leader, and we've been waiting for a breakout to occur off the bottom. And what I want to identify on the bottom is this longer term trend that it's sticking true to, coming all the way back from November 16th, 2020 till now. We found support right there around the 568. I actually had thoughts that if we broke below the 607, it was potentially going to go back to this 502 level. It ended right around 539, so it wasn't too far off, but it also identified this longer term trend that we're trading on, to identify the reversal in the markets. Of course, the Nasdaq's been down low. There's been a lot of tech rotation due to inflation concerns picking up, and I believe the I'm not sure what the 10-year is currently as of this video, but the last I checked, it was like 154 flat, and coming down. So we're seeing some of these tech stocks rotate out and seeing a lot of breakouts, especially in the EV space. We have an entire EV watch list in our coffee and stock sessions that we pay attention to. And if you go down that list, it's just nothing but green across the board, mainly, except for the exceptions of Ford and GM. We personally currently have some calls on FCell, we have some calls on NKLA, and we have some calls on RMO, Romeo Power Incorporated, something that we've been large advocates of holding long term. Even in the charging space, you're seeing pretty much green for the most part. Even if stuff is down, we're currently seeing less than 1.5%, around 1.2 at its worst. But you can see BLNK is currently up 21%, TPGY, CLII is up. All of them just running pretty smoothly here. So, but what I want to pay attention to is something that stood out to me today, that we need to occur. Here's some more of our power station, our battery manufacturers, excuse me, that we've been looking at. Like I said, FCell, Plug, RMO, SQM, LTHC, LAC, all of them just doing pretty well today, some up more than 10%. So anyways, moving forward though, something that stood out to me was a level that I was hoping to see Tesla stay above, and that was actually at the 666 level. And this is the reason why. Right here, to be more exact, around the 665.28. We need to find support above this so we can confirm the catalyst moving higher. And as long as Tesla continues to move up, you can expect all of your EV plays to follow in suit, like to the T. And so we're glad to see Tesla finally reversing. Bitcoin's coming up, so you can expect some of that liquidity that they gained out of that Bitcoin purchase to add to the company's value overall as they hold that as an asset moving forward. And as you can see, we're currently retesting those 666 levels, already at 667. So we need to get above 680 though. If we can get above 680, that's even more confirmation and a bullish signal on Tesla moving even higher. My ultimate goal is actually seeing it above 722 in the long run, as it was the previous level of resistance before it finally broke down on the most recent bounce off of these 666 levels. Up back to the upside. So hopefully we can find that support and use that as the catalyst moving forward. As long as a 10-year treasury yield continues to lower a little bit, we can expect for some headspace or some room to breathe on these tech stocks. The Nasdaq actually just broke a level of support that makes plays a very important role in this as well. So I just wanted to give you a few things to pay attention to regarding EV plays that you may be in. If you guys want, we can definitely do some reviews on some of your EV plays. Feel free to leave them in the comments below. But otherwise, I just wanted to give you an idea of what's going on in the EV market, why it's bouncing, and what to watch for, whether or not it's going to pull back or not, or if we're going to find the support to continue as a natural catalyst in the market, like is what I like to call it, moving forward. But I hope you all are getting gains on these EV plays that we have desperately been waiting for. As you see Tesla continuing to move higher off the reversal from that longer term trend that's now been defined. Even if it comes down lower, I would expect it to bounce right off those levels, no lower than the 580 or around the 600, dependent upon if there is even a reversal, potentially at the 624s if we find the support here at the 666, or if it just bounces and gets rejected off this 666 altogether. So just something to pay attention to. I just wanted to share my thesis with you. I've been pretty spot on with it here lately, but if you have any feedbacks or comments, any suggestions, feel free to leave it in the comments. I mean, if there's any particular EV plays you want to analyze, do some fundamental and DD analysis on, feel free to leave it in the comments below. Ultimately, if you found this information beneficial in any kind of way, please show your support by simply liking the video and subscribing to the channel. That's all we ask. We're not asking for anything more. And also, just have a great day. Otherwise, good luck trading, be smart, understand how the markets are moving and how to strategize against it. Other than that, we'll be doing some more review videos here in a little bit. So stay tuned for that coming soon. Otherwise, thank you.